Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self too.
Just like, hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. So guys, today is Saturday the 8th and we are about heading out now. So Adeze's classmate Leo is having a birthday party today and they invited us. We've got our invitation card. Here is the invitation card. Yeah, so here is our invitation card. Adeze, that's her name on it. Yeah, so we are all dressed up now and we are about heading now. So we shall carry you guys along, okay? So the girls are all dressed up, looking pen. So yeah, show guys your outfit. So this is no, go back a bit. Okay, stand here. You come and show guys your outfit. You are a shift. So
I want to sit down.
Right, talk to you guys later.
Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
So mommy say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
So we are off now for the birthday party and we'll talk to you guys when we are there, okay? We are at the birthday party now. The kids are having fun, they're playing. Yeah, nothing much, but I'm glad I brought them. Share with your sister. Share it with your sister. Where is your sister? Bring it, let me share it with her. You go and give it to me, okay? So you got this one. Oh, so lovely. We'll put it. Is that your cake? When we get home, you show us, okay? Where is Soso? Soso, come and show me. Be wait for your sister. Let's see. Oh, Soso, is that your party pack?
I saw something.
You saw something? What did you see?
Slime.
You see?
Slime? Did you say slime?
Good.
Inside this party bag? No.
Go on. So we are done and dusted. Party is over. Yeah, so they had a good time at the party. It was for me. Did you have a good time?
Yes, mommy.
So did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Me, I can't see your face. Oh.
Mommy, when we go back home, we don't want to undress when we see the presents.
When we get home first. So we are heading home now. They had a good time. I'm glad I had time to take them, and they really had what? Fun. Right, Soph?
Yeah.
Right, let's drive. We are not home. What was in the back?
Let me this.
Cat toy.
Mine is a smiley face. Look at my Look at mine. Let's see us.
Elephant.
A cup.
So here's a. No, this thing is, I think you draw it out.
How
much? £2. That's 4,000 naira.
Okay, 4,000. With some buy bakwa name. Oh, Mama, no can you no, Dad. How much is your agbalumo? 50p. That's 1,000 for one. For 900 naira for one. 900 naira for one. 900 naira. Go see wine.
900 naira.
Makofi ha iji naka. The book will be 900 naira.
50 naira this time.
The book before. When he has it, I go no.
I will tell them 4 and also they go only for this 4 pounds. 4 pounds will be 8,000 naira. Is as a kilo, so 1 for 4 to be 8,000. That means 1 will be 2,000.
Come feel rugi.
How much do you
African market?
African stock. Yeah.
But I got market. You can on a store. Beans, 6 pounds 50 daily. 6 pounds 50. 13,000 naira kilo na attack. 13,000 naira. But I don't want to buy that one. I did a few to. It's a jam.
Get to know me better than the lights. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way
are not Play-Dohs now, are they?
Mommy,
Okay, it's in the open it.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's
I got Play-Doh. So that's the Play-Doh man. The bin man.
Yeah, so come and sit down and make your hair.
I want to play with this. So no, keep that. Okay. Mommy doesn't got a pet. Mommy, I have to open this.
Don't open anything.
Mama, you done?
I'm done, but I need to start twisting the mouth. But
Are you done?
let me see your face. See your tiny head.
Thank you.
You are not done, baby. I've not twisted the mouth. Hey, sit down. Sit down. Should we leave it like this?
Okay.
Communication company.
It will be getting rough easy like this.
Guys, look at my playpen.
Okay?
My heart rages around like an
Go and get the pepper here first. Just use this one.
Then we get our hearts packed.
Come, let me put some of this spray on your head.
Your sweater to do some prickles.
Yeah, move. Let her sit.
Sis, I want some prickles.
So sit on the chair. Yeah, sit.
Mommy, you made me too distracted. It's okay. But Mommy, take a stop. Stop, take a minute. Stop tickling me. Mama, look at this. Guys, Mommy made my hair and Mommy's my best mommy.
Yes.
Hey, Mommy.
Your hair is so beautiful.
Mommy made that for us. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, princess. Can we see your hair? Ha! Come on. Slowly. Turn to the other side. Slowly. Me turn first. Slowly. This way. The other way. Touch your hair.
Ow.
Oh my, your hair is so beautiful. Can we see your hair, love? Turn slowly. Aye. Turn to the other side, so. Aye. Can you touch your hair, so? I turn back.
See your
You go closer to your sister.
This is good to see her hair.
So, do you guys love your hair?
Of course.
I know, right? Hug. Ah.